when I just started purchasing online, I would never make an online payment. I would always get a cash on delivery. So even though it's an Amazon,
Yes.
even though it's Flipkart, I would always use cash on delivery. But how would people trust my brand? How would people trust my brand and say that I would deliver a product? It is pretty hard. You need to do it for 2 years or 3 years or 5 years. Only then you get some customers. You can't fake it. You can't fake your customer saying that he just bought my product and this is what happened. You can't just give it to your friend and say that review this for me. So that's not going to happen in online. I know there are people who are
Yes.
doing it, but that's not going to happen in reality.
Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contro Podcast. You're listening to Constant Show. Never listen to any advice, guys. That's the advice that I want. These are nothing but you practice, you'll become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. Sanjay here. Today I have interviewed Akash Mishra. So he's one of an awesome person that I have seen. He's an introvert to be true, but the confidence that he has, that is something every person should have in their entire life. So it's so awesome to look at people like that, people like Akash, and it's so awesome to interview those kind of people. Why is because people getting out of their comfort zone and just doing something out of their comfort zone. That is something amazing, isn't it? So here's Akash for you guys.
The next 30 seconds, can you please give me an introduction of yourself?
Okay. My name is Akash Mishra. I'm basically
Okay.
make video of problems to others. Just like you have any problem, you say to me. I make video on that in YouTube.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
You do it in YouTube as well as Instagram, both.
Both.
Okay.
Both.
That's pretty cool. Fine. Other than that, what do you do?
I am a basically BBA student, second year of BBA student.
Okay, second year BBA. And where do you live, sir? Where do you live in India?
I am from Surat, Gujarat.
Okay, Surat, Gujarat. Okay, fine. Whereas I'm
Yes,
from
yes.
Karnataka, a place called as Mysore. Okay. So first
Okay.
thing, you just told me that yesterday you started this in quarantine. I mean, in the 3 months of quarantine, you just started this YouTube channel as
Yes,
well as
yes.
your
YouTube channel,
Instagram. So what
Instagram. Yes,
made you
yes, yes.
to start this? What made you to start this?
So basically, when I'm in 12th standard, my mentality is like that 9 to 5 job. But during this Corona, many people are losing their jobs. So I just decided I want to do business and help people others. What they
Okay.
problem they're facing, I want to solve it. Then I start
Okay.
YouTube channel and Instagram.
Okay. Fine. Could you tell me your YouTube channel's name?
Digital ARM.
Digital
Digital
ARM.
space ARM.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So I'll just put that on the screen. Okay. Fine,
Digital
sir.
space A space. Okay,
Okay.
okay. What are
Cool.
you saying?
Yeah. So once you just thought you need to start something. Why did you start YouTube channel? Why not some other business? Why not some other thing? Why not writing a blog or why not starting affiliate marketing? Why did you choose this one particular field?
Because video the future. I see no man in Instagram when I return a post, no one can read it. When I make a video, everyone engaging my videos. So I just decided I want to make a video, not a blog.
Okay. Of course, there are different types of people. There are different kinds of people. For me, video is good, and I just watch video. Or probably in the younger
Yes.
generation, I mean, in 21st century, there are somewhere around what is it, 75 to 80% of people, they don't have any idea how to read a book other than their studies or other than their college
Yes. Yes.
books. There's
Hmm.
nobody who can read a book. So everybody needs this. Everybody needs to watch a video.
Video.
That is how they learn.
Yes.
In
Yes.
fact, books have been converted into audio now. So I have last year
Yes.
I have
Yes.
read
Yes.
somewhere around what is it, 28 books, and out of that, some 10 to 12 were completely audio books. And this year I have read somewhere
Okay.
around 22 books, and out of all that, 10 was completely audio. So I do both. I do
Oh.
both. I'm not a person who just listens to audio every time when I jog or when I just walk, and when I travel, I just listen to audio. Whereas I have a routine. When I just wake up early morning, I just go to finish my morning routines and go to jog, exercise. After that, I come back, I read some books. So I think that's my routine. So you might have a routine, sir. So what's your routine?
My routine is that I wake up at early morning at 6 o'clock, and I
Okay.
go to and I'm go to jogging. When I'm jogging, I listen audio, just like what
Okay.
is the business news, just like other news
Okay.
related business, motivational. So I can
You
help people other.
okay? You listen to
Yes, yes,
podcasts then.
yes, yes. Podcast.
So one of your favorite podcasts. In which platform do you listen, sir?
I'm YouTube, Google's, everything where I like.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So one of your favorite podcaster. Is there any favorite podcaster that you can recommend to our
No, no,
audience?
no, no, no,
So
no.
you listen to
I
everybody.
recommend everybody.
Okay. So
I'm not.
yeah. Yes, yes. I feel like, see, I most of the time, 80% of my entire podcast list is being filled by Gary Vee's podcast. But at the same time, I believe that not everything Gary says is right. It won't be adopted to my life.
Yes,
Not everything that I say would be right
yes.
because I live in a different place and you live in a different place. I live in a different
Different place.
perspective. My perspective of life is different compared to yours. So it's better
Yes,
that
yes, yes.
everybody has their own priorities. You just don't follow one mentor or you just don't follow one person in your life. You be true to
Yes.
yourself and you follow a different person. That's my perspective
Hmm.
to be true. So it's good that you listen to many podcasts and you listen to different people.
Yes.
So yes,
Different
sir,
people.
and talking about different people and different podcasts, who's your motivator or who's your mentor or who's that one person you admire a lot?
Sandeep Maheshwari.
I didn't get you.
On YouTube, just Sandeep
Okay.
Maheshwari.
Okay, okay. So what does he do? I have no idea what does he do. So can you give a bit of
Motivational
introduction?
speaker. He's a motivational speaker.
Okay, okay. So I'll just check it out. In fact, when I just listen to things, I most of the time I basically listen to foreign authors, foreign podcasts. I mean, basically USA. So why is that? People just
Okay.
ask me, you always listen to US, you always look up to US, why not India, all that. The biggest disadvantage that I have is I don't really understand Hindi. That's the problem. So that is the
Okay.
reason why I shift to English. So whereas I listen a lot as well as I try to, the mindset of me got connected to that. So I
Yes,
listen to
yes.
Indian podcast too. Obviously, when someone is using an Indian English, I feel so happy doing it. I do that in my Instagram. So people feel like this Instagram is just for completely for. I'm getting lots of disturbance, sir. I'm sorry.
Okay. No problem. No problem.
Okay. So when I just use Instagram, there are people who tell me that no, I just use Instagram to get connected to my friends. I just use Instagram to text people, to look at celebrities, and I just use Instagram for entertainment. So there are people who use Instagram for entertainment. I mean, 80% of the people use Instagram for entertainment.
Use
Whereas,
entertainment. Yes, yes,
yeah,
yes.
whereas the other 20% use it for business as well as their
Business.
self-improvement. So,
Yes,
what
yes,
is
yes.
the social media for you? What is social media for you?
My, in my opinion, social media is a very biggest platform where you find everything.
Okay,
If you have any problem, just type Google and Google recommend you more videos according your language. If you type Hindi, English, Marathi, Gujarati, any language you want, Google is providing to you.
okay, it's the biggest library that you can ever find. That is what I feel like. And
Yes,
there are times when Google go wrong, but the truth is you can literally find anything in your entire life. There are people who like they feel so hesitated to Google. I mean, they feel dumb. I mean, if they don't know something, people tend to feel, should I have to Google this? I feel so dumb doing it. I feel so, what is it? I'm not an intelligent person. When I try to Google something, they feel like I'm not an intelligent person. It is because I feel like they throw a lot of emotion on the internet. There's nobody who's watching you out there on the internet. There is nobody who's watching you out there on YouTube or on Instagram. You need to understand that it is a tool that you can educate yourself. It's not that if you Google, you'll be so dumb, or if you just go listen to a podcast that doesn't mean you support them, you become a fan to them. It is like you need
yes,
to use
yes,
it as a tool. You need to use it as a hammer. So if you don't like a
yes,
hammer, go get a new hammer to use it. It's not that you can just have some emotion on it. If you break a hammer, you go get a new hammer. That's it. So that is social media for me.
yes,
So that is the
yes,
internet for me. That is what I feel, sir. That's something that I think which everybody should understand. Everybody should know that. So,
hmm,
uh,
exactly,
so
exactly. You're right. My opinion is same.
okay, that's pretty cool that we get connected with the same opinion.
Yes,
So the next question is, I mean, everybody has an end goal. I have an end goal that I need to stay happy no matter how old I get. So I need to be
yes,
happy.
same.
That's one of my end goals. So what's your end goal? What do you need to get out of this social media or this world or this internet or anything else?
My goal is I want to solve everybody's problem. Who is giving me in Instagram their problem? I have to solve it at any cost. I have to solve and stay
Okay.
people happy.
Okay, you need to make
Yes,
people happy. So you need to
yes,
provide a service that would make them happy.
service.
Simple as that.
Make them happy. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay,
You are right.
that's amazing. What's the effort that you take? I mean, where do you record a video and how did you learn it? There are people who are so introvert in their life and they feel like when I just turn on the camera, they just close their face and say, no, this is not for me, this is not for me. Because out
Yes,
there,
yes,
I have started my Instagram journey sharing my knowledge or recording my journey. It's been somewhere around 10 months that I'm doing it, 10 to 11 months that I'm doing it. Before that, I wouldn't even
yes,
post even a single picture. Before that, there was just somewhere around 20 pictures on my Instagram. After that, now it's really huge. I mean, I posted many pictures. I used to say that I don't
hmm,
want to post any picture. I used to say that I don't want to post any video of myself. So we were discussing about what would you say for a person who is an introvert and who is afraid to face the camera?
For that, I recommend that you just come over on camera. First to make video, then you will realize what is the experience of video, how to make video. How to make,
Okay.
first of all, you have to face camera and make a proper
Okay.
script.
Okay.
Then if you make a proper script, then you make a fumbles is going to decrease.
Okay. You need to increase the
That's my point of view.
yeah, you need to increase the confidence. You need to increase the confidence. So
Yes,
first, according
face
to
the camera,
practice, you need to write a script and practice.
practice. Yes,
Okay.
yes,
I think that would work for money, and I certainly think that when I just started, I felt like I'm not really facing the camera. I just forget that there's a camera. What I did is I just thought I'm talking to one of my friends or I'm just doing it for me. So instead of just making it like I am just gonna publish this on a billion people platform, I just feel like I'm doing it for me. I'm just talking to myself or I'm just talking to one of my best friends. So that is how I
yes,
started.
yes.
So now, I don't have a bit of, I have a bit of stage fear, but to face the camera, I don't have any fear. I think the practice will make you a greater person. Every single day, when you just
Yes,
practice, or every single day when you just upload one or the other video, people are just worried about the negative comments. I have faced many negative comments to be true, but that doesn't really matter. Those people, they might comment for
doesn't
one, two,
matter.
three, or yeah, one, two, three, or 100 videos. But after 100 videos, they'll let you go and reach that 100 videos,
Yes,
and I think you can rock it. You will get comfortable at the same time. You can understand that you naturally have an ability to explain a story, or you naturally have an ability to explain something to people. So that is
explain to
the
people. Yes,
ability, that is something that you understand. As you practice, you'll get to know that. I think that's the biggest thing that I have overcome in my life.
yes, yes, yes. You are right.
Uh, yes, sir. So after all this, you said you want to become you want to start your own business. You want to become an entrepreneur. So what is entrepreneurship according to you?
Actually, entrepreneurship is not only to make money; it's to make a provide service to people. That people are satisfied with you, then um, become a successful entrepreneur. First of all,
Okay.
you have to. Okay, okay.
Yes, sir. Please continue. Please
That's all for
continue.
me.
Okay, fine. So yeah, as you said, you need. It's not that the money is so fancy in entrepreneurship, or it's not that
Yes,
every time you just make some money. It's really awesome to make money for sure. I have made more money than what people can think or what people see in me. So making money is really awesome, but that's not the entrepreneurship that people needs to understand. It's a way of life that you need to adopt. You need to be happy, make people around you happy. So that is entrepreneurship
hmm.
according to me. So that is what you said, sir.
Yes,
Yeah, that is how entrepreneurship is. It's not just making money, throwing that money to people and saying, I'm superior than you. So entrepreneurship is truly nothing
yes,
but making people around you equal to you. So that is entrepreneurship.
yes, 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 yes. The
So
people will satisfied, then you automatically make money.
yeah, once you make people, once you give a lifetime value to someone, I think you can make money
Yes,
out of it.
overall, yes, of course, you are right.
Yes, sir. So anything else that you want to ask me? That are some of the questions that I wanted to ask you when I just looked into your page. So any questions that you need to ask me?
You, what is your business? Which kind of your own
So
business do?
I just own two business as of now. One is Controver. Uh, that's my main company which I started some 3 years back. So it's a
Okay,
industry, it's a B2B manufacturing industry, as well as we have some service in Contriver. But one more industry, one more company is Contrive. It's a fashion brand. The T-shirt that I'm wearing, so it's been manufactured and it's been completely designed and manufactured by my own company. So this is something that I always wanted. I want people to afford premium brand comfort. So I want people to
Okay.
afford a comfort, not just a t-shirt or not just a cloth. So this is my company, sir. I just own two companies as of now. So yeah, that's it. This is my business and my personal things are nothing but what I learn in business. I just share that in my social media. That's all.
Okay. Okay. That's cool.
Thank you, sir. So, is there anything else that you want to ask? Or,
Is this your business online or offline?
Contriver is offline, so that's an industry to be true. So Contriver is completely
Okay.
offline. We don't have any online presence a lot in Contriver. Contrive is an online website. So it's an online
Okay.
fashion brand. So we have a website. You can order. We ship all around India, and it's an e-commerce website. So we just
Okay.
started it.
Okay.
So it's been somewhere around 2 months that we have started on Tribe. So I hope it goes good. After 2 years, we'll get to know the results.
Okay.
So,
Okay. Okay.
yeah,
That's
one
cool.
more thing that I would love to mention is when they just start a business, I know that, I mean, I started my first company, I mean, my started my first venture called as an internet cafe. So it was an internet cafe in my local town. I started at the age of 19. People just feel like as soon as you start something, I started this fashion brand in 2.5 months as of now. I just bought somewhere around 20 sales as of now. So I just sold some 20 sales as of now. But I 100% believe that after 2 years it's gonna rock. It's gonna be awesome
Yes.
because
Yes.
I'm learning things out of it. I'm learning things out of it, and it's a e-commerce business. There's nobody who trusts an new e-commerce business. I understand that. At the same time, I know that after 2 years this will work out. So people feel like as soon as they start the first month, they don't get any sales. At the same time, they just quit. They say that no, this didn't work. The online space we have lots of competition. As soon as they start, they feel
Yes.
like they just want to compete Amazon. They just want to compete just because Amazon, and they feel like that's a huge competition. I tried to compete with them and I lost. So
Hmm.
that is what they do. And for me, my competition is not Amazon. My competition is just me. So last two
Me.
and
Yes.
a half months, I just made 20 sales. Probably after next 2.5 months, I'll just make it 50. After other 2 months, I'll just make it 100. And one fine day, for sure, after 2 to 3 years, I'm sure that I'll make it 100,000 for sure. So I have that confidence. I think
Okay.
that's one thing that people needs to understand. Being an entrepreneur is not so easy, or being an entrepreneur is not something that you go give them a mouse, they just sell it for you, or you go give them your product, they
Yes.
just buy it. So it's not going to happen. You need to develop some trust. That trust develops once you get some patience. Once you feel like
Yes.
you
Yes.
have a brand, how do you create a brand? Amazon was started in 1996, if I'm not wrong. So at that particular
Yes.
time,
Around
I
this.
was in, yeah, I was somewhere around 1 year or a 2 year baby when Amazon was started. So
Hmm. Hmm.
now
Hmm.
Amazon is the king of e-commerce marketing. So it's a trillion-dollar
Yes.
company.
Yes. Yes.
Everybody buys Amazon. Everybody trusts Amazon. When I just started purchasing online, I would never make an online payment. I would always get a cash on delivery. So even though it's an Amazon,
Yes.
even though it's Flipkart, I would always use cash on delivery. But how would people trust my brand? How would people trust my brand and say that I would deliver a product? It is pretty hard. You need to do it for 2 years or 3 years or 5 years. Only then you get some customers. You can't fake it. You can't fake your customer saying that he just bought my product and he just bought my product and this is what happened. You can't just give it to your friend and say that review this for me. So that's not gonna happen in online. I know there are people who are
Yes.
doing it, but that's not gonna happen in reality. People know who's my friend.
Yes.
If they just go to Instagram and check it out, they're gonna know that he's my friend. I'm just taking this out. The truth is, you need to develop trust. That takes time. 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, it doesn't matter. It depends upon your knowledge. So if you are giving upon
Your
the
knowledge.
first year or mid of year, I think you are just losing it.
Yes, yes, correct.
Yes, sir. So this was my journey. I mean, a 2.5 months of journey that I started in this e-commerce business.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
That's
sir.
cool.
Anything else? Thank you
No,
a
no,
lot
no,
for
no.
that.
No, no.
Uh, okay,
That's all for
fine,
me.
sir. Yeah, it was great talking to you, and thanks a lot for spending your time to be through. So it's been an awesome talk with you, and I feel like
Same here, sir.
I feel like every person should overcome the fear of the camera and fear of failure, and should start. They should start. It doesn't matter.
Yes.
Every single day they just look at Tony Robbins, they just look at a great celebrity, or you just said Sandeep, right, sir? Your
Sandeep
favorite podcast.
Maheshwari.
Yeah.
Yes.
So every single day they just look at the giants. They just look at a huge competitor, a great business tycoon, and they feel like they want to be that person. But you just start from the basics. You just start from zero followers. You just start with zero sales. So every
Zero
single
stage,
day,
yes.
if you don't, yeah, if you don't start, you don't really become your own best person. So I just
Yes,
want to
yes,
end
yes.
it with this note.
Okay, okay. Nice to
Okay,
talk to
yeah,
you.
thank
Nice to talk with
yeah,
you.
thanks a lot, sir. So it was great talking to you, and the time I spent with you, it was completely knowledgeable, and I hope I can record another podcast soon after 1 year or 2 year. I'll be so happy to do that.
Okay, okay. Me too.
Okay, thank you, sir. I'll see you around, and I'll upload this as soon as possible. Day after, or on Sunday, or on Monday, I'll upload this.
On YouTube.
On YouTube, as well as I have my own podcast in Spotify, and as well as I upload it in Instagram, IGTV too.
How was the talk? My feedback for the talk, there might be plenty of people out there who have watched this or listened to this. You guys might be judging, he don't know proper English, or he blabbers a lot, or he speaks so enthusiastic, and his speech is completely weird. You guys are judging those people. You should try to encourage them. Everybody has their own weakness. Why would you just focus on someone else's weakness, guys? Think about this. When I'm just talking to him, I felt so happy. I felt so happy that he's an introvert person and he's trying really hard. There are plenty of you know English better than him. Have you ever started a podcast? Have you ever tried to share your message for life? He's trying a lot to do something and bring out value for people. That is something that you guys have never done in your life, and you are just sitting out there behind the screen and just laughing at him and just judging him. That's not right, and no people have done this, and I have experienced that people have done to me. That is the reason I'm pretty sure I'm uploading this, just because of that one particular thing. So you're just judging people. Stop doing it. Before you do that, judge yourself. Try to understand how many weaknesses do you have in your life. There's one person who has some weakness. Try to make him overcome of it. Try to make her overcome of it. Or if you have some weakness, if you have overcome that, try to share that in on the internet. People just use it for entertainment. You are just listening to this podcast to get some value out of it. And if you are just doing it, start sharing your own message. Everybody has their own story, so share it, and you'll rock this world for sure.